Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily enable and configure Zebra on Sony ZV-1 II. So basically what Zebra is, it's the visual overlay that highlights overexposed areas on your camera. It's pretty great for checking highlights in videos and photography. So here's how you can enable it. Simply go over to the menu. Now go to exposure, and here we have the exposure and color. Now we need to go a bit down to the bottom until we see Zebra display. Now here, as you guys can see, we can enable it. Now it's disabled, and here we can enable it. And here we also have the Zebra level. Here we can customize it by changing the limit. As you guys can see here, we can change the type to STD plus range, or maybe the lower limit, or simply set it to, let's say, 80. So this is how you can easily configure it. The Zebra level is totally up to your preference, and to enable it, you guys seen it. So this would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.